This video will demonstrate how to properly replace a window on any Raynor AlumaView model door. Follow these instructions closely to avoid unwanted issues or breakage during your field repair. Keep in mind that it is easier to install glass when the door sections are horizontal on sawhorses, and doing a replacement on an installed door will be more challenging. For motor-operated doors, you should cut power to the opener to avoid an accidental opening of the door during your repair. Having the right tools is key, and the tools you will need for this repair are a stiff blade putty knife, gloves, and a 1-pound rubber mallet. Some installers like to round the corners of the putty knife. Each window is held in place by 4 snap-ins. These snap-ins lock into aluminum rails surrounding the panel opening. To unlock the snap-in, slide your putty knife between the aluminum rail and the snap-in, and push down on the snap-in while also pulling it away from the rail at the same time. Repeat this process for the other 2 snap-ins. Remember, push down on the snap-in with your putty knife while pulling it away from the rail. If the window fits particularly tight, some pressure may be needed to pry it from the top of the opening. You can now tilt the window back to unlock the final snap-in, and then carefully lift out the window. Take note of the orientation of the 4 snap-ins as you remove them and then install them in those same positions on the new glass. A small rubber mallet may be used to properly set the glass into the snap-in. Take care to maintain the integrity of the window. Clean off any old caulk from the aluminum rail and snap-ins you are reusing. Now apply a small amount of fresh caulk at each corner. Making sure to grip both the snap-ins and the glass, carefully lay the entire assembly on the lip of the panel opening. If the entire assembly is angled outward at the top, and you set the bottom snap-in into the groove, you may be able to lock in the bottom snap-in as you angle the assembly upward and into the correct position. If it does not lock in, simply use your putty knife to lock it into place before the other 3 snap-ins. To do this, use the putty knife to first push down on the snap-in to lock it, and then, keeping pressure on the putty knife, slide it down the remaining length of the snap-in to complete the locking in procedure. Move on to the next snap-in. Again, first push down on the snap-in with the putty knife to lock it into place. Then, while keeping pressure on the knife, slide it down the length of the snap-in. Repeat this process on the remaining snap-ins to fully secure the window. It is critical that all snap-ins are in the locked position before attempting to operate the door. This AV300 center style is illustrating how snap-ins are modified to different glazing thicknesses. but are installed using the same procedure. Note, you can identify the exterior side of the snap-in by the vinyl flap that seals on the glass or panel. Raynor offers 7 different snap-ins to accommodate varying panel thicknesses. You may also see different color snap-ins, such as gray or black. Raynor AlumaView models AV300, AV200, and AV175 all use the same snap-ins, and the same installation procedures are followed. For a professional and successful service call, Raynor recommends that you practice the techniques shown in this video at your facility before utilizing them in the field.